All right, today we'll be performing a repair test on the claim number 1172S620H. We'll be performing a repair test on this damaged shingle here using this snake tool and this shingle that you matched. Being as gentle as he can. He's being as gentle as he can to pry the shingles loose, but they're so brittle. Damage is caused here. He's being as gentle as he can.
The reason I'm using this because it's not as thick as a snake tool. This one here.
Line them up, line the shingles up to see how the dimensions match up. Put it on top of it. Yeah, they match pretty well there. Same size. Obviously different color. The homeowner has expressed concern about that, but it seems the dimensions are all right. Hold on here. Just from getting the nails out, this shingle is creased here. Just from getting the nails out, this shingle is creased.
Broke two right here.
And this was from trying to get it loose. These shingles are just so old and so brittle. They really are not up for this. All right, sorry for the cut here. The cameraman's phone just got too hot. It is a hot day out here today. But we just slid this shingle in. And as I pointed out in the last video, there's creasing here, damage here. And up here there's creasing just from getting the nails out. We haven't even started putting the nails in. And there's already damage to these shingles. They're very old and very brittle. Yeah, just lift the shingles up enough to get that nail under there.
Still good, but it started going, what you call it, squirrel tail. See how it's going at an angle. Again.
Just having trouble getting a good strike on it without lifting the shingle up too much. There we go. There we are.
That one in.
Hold on, hold it right there, don't move it. Oh, you see how the crease is forming here? All right, even with using the snake tool. See all the granule loss coming off and the crease starting to form there.
Yeah. See how it's going.
Yeah.
See that? That's from the snake tool.
Mm-hmm. Snake tool does not make it easy to get a clean strike.
Again. Yes. What do you think? Do it the old-fashioned way?
Yeah. Try it again with the snake tool.
Yeah. No, it's not going in right.
I guess just do it though. Even before we do it without the snake tool, it's still damaged from just getting the nails out. All right.
This is sticking right here. That was a snake tool.
Snake tool. Right. As you can tell here, mark the fails with the chalk behind you.
That was it.
Fail. Fail. Fail.
Fail, all these failed.
This was with the snake tool as well. Was that one?
Right here, to look. Another rip right here.
As you can tell, these shingles are way too old and way too brittle to survive a repair test. And with all these damages around the roof, you would think it would count as a full replacement. Thank you for your consideration. Bye.